Here. Hold it. There you go. Get some on there. Alright, I'm sorry. I just wanted to help. You mad at it now? It's the wrong end. There you go. Good job. Good job. Okay, you want some more? There you go. Spoon it. Alright, that's enough. Put it in your mouth. Okay, now you can't have this. Here. Alright. Good job. Good job, Brody. Alright, we got stuff everywhere now. That's great. You done? Who is that? Is that Dad? Look. Dad? Brody. Dad? Dad? You done? Okay. Let's clean this up.